Doing a little bike maintenance today. I have had a creak on, I have a Transition Sentinel, and I previously had this Cascade Link on here, which basically increases the travel. And I've had a creak. I've taken it apart multiple times, put it back up together. The creak just doesn't go away, so I'm putting back the old ones on to see if maybe that helps it. And to do that, I have pulled off all the links, kind of thing. Also changed the air shaft assembly from a 160 to 170, so I might change that back to 160. We'll see what I get to. But first things first. The rear pivot is all cleaned up. I'm gonna put this one back together. So I just put the barrel, that nut in there. I did not put this end in. And I put this on. And this is not tight yet either. Alright, just finished this one. I'm gonna look up the torque specs and I'm gonna lock everything down. Bike's all done. Got it all buttoned up. Next step, fork. So I have this Fox 36. I changed it a while back from 160 to 170 by changing the air shaft assembly here, and I'm gonna put it back.
Would it take it or let it slide away? Yeah. Him palm them sweating, he's weak, arm them heavy. Food pan him shirt already, mama spaghetti. Him anxious but pan the face calm and steady. Ready for job bomb but brain already. Write it down, crow get loud, you hear the sound up on him mouth, but the words can't come out. Him choke out, whole crowd a joke now. Clock run out, time done pow. Snap back to reality, oh gravity slap. Rabbit freeze man, whole crowd clap. Him vex but nah give up, no him a soldier. Him no back a wall, rope over shoulder. No cash but him still got fire. Back to the yard, him building empire. Lap again, heart a beat strong. This your moment, can't let it go long. You better lose yourself in the rhythm. The moment, own it, never make it slip. Me want you, don't blow it. One shot, no miss your chance to grow. This opportunity come one time, you know. You better lose yourself in the rhythm. The moment, own it, never make it slip. Me want you, don't blow it. One shot, no miss your chance to grow.
Fork feels good.